email address. Alright, next thing I want you to do, go to index, and then go again, edit, find and replace, and again remember we're using addsitename.com as the domain name. You need to put your domain name throughout this site. So in the replace section, just put your domain name and change it throughout the whole site. Once you're done there, we could upload all these files and folders, but I want to show you one more thing. If you go to the JS folder, which is for JavaScript, and pick the scripts file, this is going to have in gray a lot of comments. I'm just trying to tell you what things do and what's the point of them. So, and what you can change things to. Like right now I have the map set at road map, but you can change it to satellite, hybrid, terrain, whatever you want to do. If we get in here a little bit, when we first do a search and for locations, it's going to be a blue marker is going to show, and that's for this tutorial. Other tutorials going to be different, but I just want to show you this. It's going to be blue marker, and then when you hover over the marker or you hover over the results for the locations in the sidebar, it's just going to highlight that marker, and we have it to highlight it in red. And then once they mouse off, take their mouse off or the cursor off the location, then it's going to go back to the blue. So that's just a few things, but I just commented a lot of stuff so you can understand it. Okay, so now after we've uploaded everything to our web host and we already created our database, let's go now to the site. Okay, now we're back at our the website we just uploaded. It's nothing great to look at. It is very simple. Change it to however you want it to be. I'm just creating this very simple so you can see it and see how everything functions. Here, of course, we have our map, and here's where a user would enter the city and state or zip code to search. Here is the distance they're searching, and right now we have no distances added there. I'm going to show you that next. And over here in the gray is where the locations will appear, and then also the markers will appear on the map of the locations. Now this is going to be different for different tutorials. Some's not even going to have this. It's just going to appear with a map with locations. But remember, we're just showing you how to set up the store locator. So the first thing you want to do is go down to the bottom of the page, and you can log in as the administrator here. Now again, change it to however you want. I'm just doing it like this just for your purposes, just to show you how it works. You might not even want a login link here shown at all on your website. You don't want to just go directly to this login, and so nobody will see it. None of your users will see it. So let's go here, log in, and remember I told you the instead of the email address I put in tutorial first to log in. So just put tutorial in there, and then the password was 123456, and then we're going to sign in. Okay, now once you sign in, these other links come up. Now again, you probably will not want this to appear like this on your site, but it's just to keep it all here for this tutorial. So the first thing you should do, go in edit settings, and then put in the current password, which is 123456, and put in a harder password here for you. Change the password. Then after you do that, current email address, put in tutorial, and go down and put your email address in there. So you don't want my stuff in there for you. Alright, so now we're back at the locations. Of course, we have no locations right now, but the first thing I want to do is I want to add a distance. Now this is the distance in miles for the radius for the search a member or user does to find locations. So let's click add miles, and this part isn't going to be part of all the store locators. Remember, I have various ones. I'm just trying to show you an overall thing of how to set this all up. So let's put in 10 miles, and there it is, 10 miles. And we get 25 miles, and let's just add one more, 50 miles. I'm going to go back to the main page, and there they are, 10 miles, 25 miles, and 50 miles.